On Wednesday, winds ripped through the Flathead Valley. And from our office in downtown Kalispell, we witnessed this tree fall right into the road. The tree that fell Wednesday morning in Depot Park was not alone. Other trees across the Flathead toppled, blocking roads and bringing down power lines. The Lake Community Christmas tree fell, according to the Lakeside Chamber of Commerce, and is unlikely to be back up this season. Highway 93 was closed after a semi-truck tipped over, blocking the southbound lanes. The Summers Fire Department rerouted traffic through Forest Hill Road. In Big Fork, the Big Fork Cross, a local landmark, has fallen. Social media says the cross has withstood storms for over 5 decades. By Flathead Lake, Wayfarers State Park saw whitecap waves crashing against the docks and shores. And finally, power outages hit northwest Montana hard, with tens of thousands, including downtown Kalispell, without power throughout Wednesday afternoon. The Flathead County Sheriff's Office reminds the public that 911 should not be called about fallen trees unless it is a life-threatening emergency. Fallen trees or power lines are dangerous and should be avoided. In the Flathead Valley, Maddie Kiefer, MTN News.